Wage garnishment is a legal procedure, typically initiated through court orders or government agencies, where a portion of an individual's earnings is withheld by their employer to pay off debts like taxes, child support, or loans. The deducted funds go towards satisfying the owed debt until it's repaid, with the percentage garnished determined by the type of debt and local laws. Employers are obliged to follow these orders, but the specifics can vary by jurisdiction. So while the processes may vary, employers still need to quickly extract information, accurately, from court orders for wage garnishments in order to initiate the process. The documents set for each wage garnishment may vary, and that's where CMR Plus makes the process of data extraction for wage garnishments quick, simple, and accurate for payroll professionals. Today's lab instance has been trained for the wage garnishments sent to a federal agency and involves one or more of the following forms. Critical data for the garnishment needs to be extracted from these forms, like the employee name, employee's social security number, employer, date, amount due, table data along with creditor agency tracking number, routing information for payments, etc. SF329A and C are standard templates, and data from SF329B and D needs to be extracted. Let's upload these forms to CMR Plus and observe the extraction accuracy. Here we're uploading SF329B. And along with it, let's also upload SF329D. We see both the forms are getting processed. Let's go into both of them and check their extraction accuracy. Starting with SF329B, Wage Garnishment Order. Clicking on each of the fields highlights the section on the document where the data has been extracted from, making the quality check process quick and easy. On top of the document, CMR Plus shows the extraction accuracy, which is currently at 100%. SF329D, Employer Certification. Again, clicking on each of the fields highlights the section on the page where the data is picked from. CMR Plus also allows for business rules to be created for validation purposes. For example, in this case, CMR Plus can be programmed to validate the calculation towards the garnishment amount. Additionally, a quality analyst can add patterns in the screen itself and also extract or edit the data, thus training the machine learning algorithm on the go. These extraction examples show the ease with which CMR Plus is leveraged for various data extraction purposes, including wage garnishment forms. For a demo or more information, please visit AntWorks.